Hi guys, welcome to another video from yours truly. I'm underscore Roper. Beautiful day, such a wonderful day. Today's Sunday. Beautiful wind coming across at this location, which I have used this location a couple of occasions. So today I'm here, guys, and the reason why I chose this location is because something great has happened. I want you I want to celebrate with you an important milestone that I have accomplished all through you guys. So welcome to this channel. Hi guys, it's another day, and God is good. Yes, indeed. If you've been here for the first time, I want to say welcome to this channel. I'm underscore Rupert. Regular folks have always, at all time, tune in to my videos and my lives and supported me. So happy that you are here. And guys, please do like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Great things have happened, guys. I must tell you, I'm so happy for what's happening in my life today. Today's Sunday, and I give God thanks for his goodness. Give God thanks for you, and you. Guys, with your support, your love, I have achieved an important milestone. You have allowed me to achieve or obtain that milestone of 4,000 subscribers. Oh my God, guys, you are the best. I may have to do a little dance. Yeah, let me. Yeah, you guys did it. 4,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I could not have done this without you. And you stuck with me. Some came on the bus and fell off, but you still has helped me to achieve this milestone. So guys, congratulations to you. Love and much respect. And on my way to 5,000. And I know with your help, I will achieve that in short order. Thank you so much, guys. When I started YouTube, 2023, November 28th, 2023, launched my channel in Jamaica. I, decided to work hard, and I must give special respect and recognition to I Am Mawa, because actually Maura was the one that inspired me, and based on his inspiration on YouTube Street, I joined. And guys, I'm not disappointed him. Big up to you, and big up to everyone who have helped me along this journey. It's a great journey. I'm enjoying it. Sometimes it gets a little bit, when people, but it's a great journey, and I love what I do, guys. Bring you positive attitude, information, education, inspiration, and it's just a wonderful feeling to celebrate, as you help me celebrate this 4,000 subscribers marker and moving on to 5,000. Yes, guys, I have been extremely admonish him for. So, guys, I must say it has been a great ride, and big up to I said RN2CO, the Real Thing podcast. Big up to Kino, Jamaica Walk by Ever Bless. Oh my God, hold on, the wind is high, so my camera just started to the wind is high. Sorry about that, guys. The wind is high. Sorry about that. So I just want to say to these guys who have always, been out there, Ever Blessed Travel, Prince of Dinga, guys, you know what? It makes them a top call name because it's too numerous to call. So let me stop before I get myself into trouble. Yeah. I believe in fairness of ideas and perspective, and just being positive and be true to whatever you do. And I practice that in all my videos, as you can see. Yes. That's why I'm here for the long haul, 4,000 subscribers. And I also want to give big up to my wife, Kathy. She supports me. Oh my God, I must tell you, her support is very, very appreciative. Love the support. She always inspires me and encourage me. And thank you so much, Kathy. Bless up to you. All my people, even those who just watch and have not subscribed to the channel, you know yourself, big up to you. Hope you will subscribe in short order. The wind is blowing, so you might hear a little bit of distraction, noise. And I'm sorry I didn't bring my my microphone, my lapel microphone, that I could, or do a walk around and to reduce the noise. Hope you're hearing me quite well. I just want to say something, guys. When I started YouTube, you know, to me, I thought it was great, great, you know. But after I got into it, I found out that it can become stressful. It can become disparaging. It can become people just use it for selfish reasons, to banter, to disparage, to defame people, and just for jealousy, hatred, or whatever it is, and just say some nasty things about people. And you know, and that just brought me back to, I was watching a video from Judge Jenkins, and where she has had a suit against YouTubers who have gone about to defame her. She and her husband talk so many things about them, so many lies, and defame them. And they do some research, investigations, and has found out these people who hide behind fake channels, fake names, and just decide to defame black celebrities. It's all about black celebrities. And you know, because I was always wondering why some people would just go up against people to speak lies, and you know, against, let me just be frank, family Mauer and his family. And I found out, we all talk about suing people, and I just, when I saw that today, I was like, wow, things can be done to stop people from telling lies and spreading rumors about them. What has happened, what I learned, is that these people have these fake accounts, right, registered like they're in the United States of America. Actually, most of these YouTubers, they hide behind, I said, fake names and the fake web YouTube channels, and spread all these lies. They are not even living in the United States of America. They are not even living in the US. Most of them are registered. After the investigation that she did, she found out that these YouTubers they're from Pakistan, India, and Russia. Can you believe that? And some of them is kind of settling now, you know, out of court settlement. But I just want to show you guys that, you know, persons must stop using fake channels and stop just tell lies on people. They use her thumbnail and AI and all this. And I found out that one time I was wondering how YouTube allow persons to use somebody's thumbnail or their pictures without their consent. And even if you're using it for the right reasons, but use it for the wrong reason, persons' pictures and had AI with their voice and all of that, people go to any length to make money and by illegal means on YouTube. But I just want to say to all YouTubers, you know yourself, let's be positive. Let's do the right thing. Do the right thing, because the only way you're going to have sustainability and be around for the long haul is doing the right thing. Be disciplined, be principled, and be ethical in all that you do. So guys, thank you so much for taking me to 4,000 subscribers. Thank you to Mawa. Oh my God, I'm telling you, it's such a... I would love to go to the village of Yabohanse. I'd love to meet him one day, which I know it's going to be possible somehow, somewhere, somehow. It's a possibility, and I'm looking towards that. Guys, please to subscribe to my channel. Please to like my videos. Please to share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. And I want to say a big up to CurlysLifestyle TV. He's in the Philippines. We haven't heard from him for a couple of days. And I always tell people that he's okay. And persons were like, man, we don't want to hear. We want to see him. But now, guys, you have seen CurlysLifestyle. He's okay. He's okay. I told you so. But you never believed it. I told you so. So, guys, thank you so much for getting me to 4,000 subscribers. And I'm moving forward to 5,000. Help me get there. I need your support. Need your support. Let's, all YouTubers, I'm calling all YouTubers. Big up to Marlon. Yeah, Marlon, Jamaica, Chinese boy. I'm calling all YouTubers, man. Let's get to act right. Do the right thing. You know what I mean? Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Stop scandalizing and defaming people. And, you know, do the right thing, because there are consequences. If a person decides to pursue any kind of litigation, there are serious consequences and serious monetary consequences that, you know, you can put yourself in. And you know, we don't want that. Let's live as one, as a YouTubers. Do the right thing, be positive. People talk about reaction. Reaction on what? Reaction what I've seen most times not reacting, just telling lies on people and just formulating your own ideas and opinion based on what people say, what they do, putting a spin on it and call a reaction. In truth and in fact, you're just telling lies. And it seems like gossip sells. That's what sells, lies and gossip and negativity. But guys, remain positive. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. I don't take it for granted. See the wind again. The wind is blowing too hard, so I will be cutting this video short, make it short because the wind is kind of heavy and you might not be hearing me quite well. So thank you so much guys for your support. 4,000 subscribers, and I'm looking forward to 5,000. God bless you. And as I always say guys, in all my videos, you know what I mean, I always like to be positive, everything I do, and ethical in all their ways. Acknowledge him, he shall direct your path. Big up Jamaican uncle, you know the tingo. Big up to you. And we hope that one day all YouTubers can get together and we just, you know, have a great time, because it's fun, it's family, it's family, it is fun. We can make it fun, we can make it family if we chose to do so with the right spirit and the right attitude. Get away with negativity, put down negativity, put down hate and jealousy. And big up to I Am Mawa, big up to Rocio, big up to Maisha, big up, he's my, I can't stop talking about Mawa. I'm not worshiping the guy, I'm just being grateful and appreciating him for actually inspired me and many others to be on this YouTube street. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bless up to you, and may you just, Aristopat as well, big up to you, yeah man, big up to you. And all the young and upcoming YouTubers, big up to you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment and share it, and just help me get to 5,000 subscribers. In all thy ways, acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.